Yesterday, cut the gate off that trailer. Put that in, make it a regular utility trailer. Today I'm cutting that gate up, building a canoe rack for my truck. I'm gonna get it put on that bad boy today.
Lord, it's fading like an old Hank Williams song. This thing called country, Lord, I try to listen, but I'm running through the radio and ain't none home. Yeah, I feel alone. Too sure where we're going. Yeah, we can't seem to remember just where we've been. Our country roots, Lord, they ain't showing, and ain't nobody blowing like Big John did on Seminole Wind. I wanna hear it again and again and again and again, and I wanna run, I'm gonna run on down the highway. To me and this guitar is a bag of bones. Oh, Gulf Coast cowboy, I'm doing it my way. Guitar picking a parcel, preaching the gospel of a country song. Guitar picking a parcel, preaching the gospel of a country song. Gone are the days of all the real legends. Gone are the songs, and with that goes the proof. And gone are the sounds of the uncaged spirit. And gone is the freedom of playing what you're feeling. And gone is the truth. So in honor of the heroes of my youth, I'm gonna run on down the highway. To me and this guitar is a bag of bones. Oh, Gulf Coast cowboy, I'm doing it my way. Guitar picking a parcel, preaching the gospel of a country song. Guitar picking a parcel, Lord, I'm preaching the gospel of a country song. Guitar picking a parcel, preaching the gospel